Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to edit the right-click Start menu items. So when you right-click on your Start button, you'll see you have all these tools here. This is the same for Windows 10, so this will work for both. So how this works is it's in groups here, group I think it's 1, 2, and 3. And if you go into your user profile here, under Users, Username, App Data, Local, Microsoft, Windows, Win+X, you'll see these same groups here. So let's say Group 2 has these settings here, and then Group 2 here. Task Manager settings, File Explorer, Search, Run, so on. So you would think you could just come in here and delete something or add a new shortcut to this to these folders here, but it doesn't work this way. There's more to it than that, so you can't actually do that. But fortunately, you could use this program here called Win+X Menu Editor, because this is called the Win+X menu, by the way, if you didn't know, or the Win+X. And this will allow you to edit these items and add items and remove them. So what you do is you download it. It's just a executable, nothing to install. Just double click it to run it. And you might get this option here that says you have third-party shortcuts or groups which are not properly named. This might be because this program here is a little bit older and maybe you have some newer items in here that came with some Windows update. So I just click OK. You don't have to worry about it. So now you'll see the same groups here. Group 1, 2, and 3, which matches what we have here. I'll move this to the side here. And so what you could do is you could click in here and you could move items up or down, move to the top, move to the bottom. You could right click, do the same thing, move to a different group. You could add an item, create a new group, remove this, and so on. So what we're going to do, let's say in group 2 we want a shortcut for Chrome. So what you would do, you can just right click on it. You can right click anywhere and it'll put it in that spot. Add a program. And what you have to do is browse to the location of the executable. So if you don't know, so here's your executable or your icon here. If you right click on it, go to Properties. Here's the target. So you want to copy everything except the executable name. And then you don't want this first quote either. Copy that. Paste it in your address bar, hit enter, and it'll take you there. And then you just double click on the executable, give it a name, click OK, and now you'll see it's in there. And so what you have to do is restart Windows Explorer to get it to take effect, because if you notice it's not in this group 2, so click on Restart Explorer. It'll kind of shut everything down and open up your icons in your taskbar again. So now we right click on Start, we have Chrome, and it'll take us right there. So you could do that for any app you want and remove them, move them around, that kind of thing. And then if you right click, you also notice you have this presets option here. So this will add some of these default presets, shutdown services, calculator, that kind of thing if you want to use that. Or if you want to add a control panel item, you could pick one from the list. It'll take you right to your control panel item, so that way you don't have to browse and try and figure out the path to it. And then you also have administrative tools items, that kind of thing. So it's pretty cool. It's a really nice way to customize it. So if you use this menu a lot, then it's a really nice thing to be able to adjust this to make it easier to get to your frequently used applications. Okay, so I will put a link to the website in the description. That way you could go ahead and download the tool. And like I said, it's just a zip file, so you just extract it, run the executable, and then you'll be able to edit your right-click menu items. All right. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.